Hi everybody, welcome to another video. And today is April 30th and tomorrow I believe is May 1st. So I have a EDC update for April, since this is the last day of April and I'm unboxing this in April. This is going to be an update to my April EDC end of month April EDC update. Okay, so let's do the unboxing and see what we are adding to our EDC. If you if you're curious as to my EDC for April, you can go look up the video. There's two EDCs that I have. Is the EDC that I carry on my persons, which I did a video on, and also EDC pouch, where I carry a sling bag full of goodies. This resides basically in the car wherever I go, and if I know that I'm going to be on foot, touring about, or walking around in the urban areas and stuff, or this is what I would be carrying. But for everyday EDC, I have stuff that are on my persons. So this here, until I get a case made for this, or figure out a way to carry this on my persons, this is going to reside inside this bag. So this is going to be a EDC update for the sling bag. All right, and what we have here is the Knipex pliers. And as you can see, they're pretty darn tiny. As you can see the package. If you want a size comparison, this Spyderco Native Lightweight would fit perfectly inside this box, actually. Yeah, that's how small this box is. So I can't even imagine how small the actual pliers is. If the box is this small. So let's take a look inside. Should have absolutely no trouble carrying this on my persons. I just would like to make a little case for it, so it doesn't actually stab me or anything like that. But they are really tiny. It is actually tinier than I thought it would be. I watched videos of this, numerous videos of this product, and I know it's supposed to be very, very small, but on TV it actually looks a lot bigger than in person. It's very small. As you can see, it's about takes up about the same amount of space as a Spyderco lightweight, native lightweight. Another comparison. This is a Rough Rider Stockman, and this is the large, I think. Here is the Rough Rider Canoe. And as you can see, very tiny. Here is another size comparison. It's my vape pen. Okay, so let's get you a real close-up view of this here. I mean, like I said in the video, it may look really large, but it is very tiny. But it has a pretty large opening here at the mouth. It can grip up to a 1 inch, I guess, nut, bolt, whatever. Um, Now, let me get this. Oh, here it is. Now, I need to get a case to put on my belt, but until then, it's gonna, like I said, going to go in my sling pouch. Okay. And the reason I got these pliers is because the Victorinox Swiss Champ does come with pliers, okay, but they are not for large nuts or bolts. They're more like for smaller tasks. And this here, as you can see, is capable of handling much larger tasks. So many of you may say, well, why carry the Victorinox Swiss Champ when you can carry a Leatherman? Well, those needle nose pliers of the Leathermans can't do what this can do, which is open up this wide. And when you close it, these, as you can see, are not that wide. So these are essentially at the smallest size, just like a needle nose plier. Okay, but when you open it up, it can handle much bigger tasks. So that's why I got this to complement my EDC, the Victorinox Swiss Champ. The Leatherman, to me, is sort of unrefined, kind of big, clunky to carry. I do love my Leatherman Signal. It comes with a pummel, which comes in handy. But the Victorinox Swiss Champ does have a lot more tools than the Leatherman and most of the Leathermen out there. So I like carrying the Swiss Champ, and I like carrying the Spyderco Lightweight, Native Lightweight, one of the best knives that I've ever had the pleasure of having and using. And then somehow I am going to add this to my belt or pocket. Probably make a little slip for it and carry it in my pocket. I may make a wallet kind of pouch or something to carry in my back pocket maybe. But this combination right here, to me, I think is better than having a Leatherman, because the Leatherman is, of course, always touted as having a heavier duty pliers and this and that than the Swiss Champ, but at the same time, the Leatherman, like I said, is incapable of handling larger jobs like this. Look how wide that thing opens. So, yep. Also, I may add something else next month to, if I do decide to carry the Leatherman at any time. I was thinking about getting the Leatherman bit ratchet adapter. So stand by for that. But anyway, as you can see, tiny little thing. All right, so that is the update for April. This is the last day of April, and this is the addition to the EDC. All right, thanks for watching, folks.